I'm going to be opening up this blister pack. It's all of the Galarians. We've got Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos, obviously. Let's open this up and see if we can get anything good in any of these packs. Think I might need some scissors for this. Hold, please.
A few moments later.
And we're back. Getting some scissors in here. Got it. Hooray! It's like opening a present at Christmas. You can't get anything exciting. Open when you actually want it. There's our lovely coin. Okay, so here's what we've got. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with that Fusion Strike first. Energy, get out of here. Whoa. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'd appreciate it. Alright, and now pack number 2, this Astral Radiance. Alright, there we go. Get out of here, energy. See if we get anything good. There you go, this is a trainer. And now, for an extra special surprise, we are going to be opening up this Celebration pack as well. Here's what we've got in here. Let's see what we can get inside. And let's pause and do some movie magic.
A few moments later.
Okay, and we did it! Hooray! Thanks everyone for, those who believed in me. I appreciate it. Here's our lovely free card and the giant one. Alright, so what we've got inside are obviously, we've got an Evolving Skies, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Celebration packs, and a Fusion Strike, as well as our lovely information card. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. Alright, so let's do our Sword and Shield packs first. Let's push these aside because obviously the celebration is a little bit more exciting. So let's go for Evolving Skies. There we go. Let's see, as always, energy, get out of here. Okay, let's go for our Fusion Strike. Spongy gloves, always fun. Coming to end of that pack. Nothing too exciting in those, but hopefully these celebrations will make up for it. Let's go for number 1. Alright. Alright. And number 2. Anything exciting in this one? Okay. Let's see, lucky number 3. Oh, there it goes. Oops. Oh. Alright, and the fourth and final. Let's get something exciting. And that's all we got for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for subscribing, for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much.